Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to stop Facebook notification in Gmail. If you don't want a Facebook notification in your Gmail account, you can easily stop it. So I'm going to show you on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android phone. So let me open Facebook app first. So open your Facebook app now. In order to stop notification in Gmail, you have to go in settings. So just click on tab on this three line option and just scroll down, and here you can see the setting and privacy option. Just tap on it. After that, here you have to tap on settings and just find this notification option. So here you can see under the preference you will see the notification option. Just tap on it, and here Facebook will show you the all notification like comment notification, tags, reminder, whatever. So if you want to and you can see all notification by default on in email, SMS and push. So if you want to stop all notification on Gmail, just scroll down and here you have to click email and just stop. Okay, every just enable disable every email. If you want some birthdays notification on, then you can just keep it on, otherwise you just off it. Okay, means all notification will be stopped from here. Okay, now just come back, then all notification will be stopped. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.